Hey everybody, Mr. Carnegie here. Today we're going to do a quick review of what we've been talking about with the coordinate grids, the coordinate planes. So we're going to go over some terms, and we also go through the steps of how you plot a point on the grid, and also how you locate a point on the grid. So let's get started. So our bit diagram here is called our coordinate plane, also been known as our coordinate grid as well. Either way you say it is fine. We have our x-axis, which runs horizontal, side to side. We got to label this an x-axis. Our y-axis, it goes up and down, also known as vertical, for the terms that we use for this semester. All right. So now we have our origin, which is the starting point, which is all the order pair for the origin is always 0, 0. This is where we start from every single time. This spot right here. All right. Over here, we're going to plot our point, which is called A. And our order pair for A is going to be 3, 2. All right? So 3 is my x coordinate because it's first. 2 is my y coordinate, which is because it's second. X always comes before y. No matter how big the number is, if it's bigger or smaller, the x always comes before the y. So when we start from our origin, we're going to go to the right first. That's why I got 3x right. And then after we go to the right 3 times, we're going to turn up 2 times. Because our y is second, we always turn up after we go right. So basically, you hold your right arm out, you go right first, you get to that number, and then you turn up. So by the time you finish, you should have a 90-degree angle. This is how it's done. So we start from the origin. 3 is our x. So we go 1, 2, 3, and we stop. All right? So now we don't plot the point there. That's where we stop. Now we got to go up to 2 because 2 is our y. 1, 2. And we'll plot the point right here where the x-axis and that y-axis intersect each other. Right on a vertex. That's right where the spot crosses at. And we're going to label this A because that's the name of our point. All right, now let's say we have a point on our plane, and we're going to label this point B. All right? So now we got to find the order pair for point B. So what we're going to do is we're going to start from our origin, which is always 0, 0. We're going to go to the right first until we find out where we line up with our B. So we're going to go over, and we're going to stop at 4. We're stopping at 4 because if I look up, B lines up with 4. So I'm going to come over here, write my B, and my x is going to be 4. All right? Then I'm going to go up until I get to the actual dot. Not the letter, but the actual dot is what we're plotting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I went up 5 times on my y-axis. That means my y is going to be 5. So the order pair for B is 4, 5. We went to the right 4 times, then we went up 5 times. And that's how you plot a point on a coordinate grid. That's also how you locate a point on a coordinate grid. Like always, watch these videos for any feedback or any questions you may have. Also, reach out to me if the video is not clear or you need some more understanding. Until we get a chance to meet each other, you guys stay safe and keep working hard.